Marker is an anti-tank robotic unmanned ground vehicle developed by Androidnaya Tekhnika, a robotics company based in Russia, to provide reconnaissance and destroy enemy targets. Androidnaya Tekhnika was commissioned by Russian research and development organization Advanced Research Foundation to develop the Marker UGV. Work on the platform's development began in March 2018. 5 autonomous robotic platforms were developed within the project framework, 2 of which were tracked, and 3 of which were wheeled. Shooting tests for the Marker robotic platform took place at a training ground of the Central Military District in Chelyabinsk, Russia. In August 2019, the platform successfully tracked targets autonomously and defeated them in the tests. The project was implemented in 3 stages. The results of the first stage were demonstrated at the Magnitogorsk test site for robotic systems and complexes in October 2019. In the second stage, the platform undercarriage was designed. In August 2020, 2 Marker robotic platforms were displayed at the Army 2020 International Military Technical Forum. Tests to develop the Marker platform's key technologies were carried out at the Vostochny launch site in October 2021. In December 2021, a group of 4 platforms successfully passed the tests to move through a designated route and reach the destination in the Chelyabinsk region as part of acceptance testing. Androidnaya Tekhnika successfully completed its work on the Marker robotic platform project in January 2022. The Marker robotic platform weighs 3 tons and is designed to offer technical vision, communication, navigation, autonomous movement, and group control. It derives autonomous capabilities from a modular multi-spectral vision system, which uses neural network algorithms for data processing. The vehicle can identify various types of intruders, including unauthorized personnel, unmanned aerial vehicles, and motor vehicles. It uses electronic pulses and suicide drones to combat incoming hostile UAV. The UGV uses radio-electronic jamming to disrupt drone signals and neutralize them. The Marker platform was developed to recognize objects using artificial intelligence technologies. It can be used to conduct patrol activities autonomously in dedicated security routes for ground-based space infrastructure facilities, as well as recognize security perimeter violators and intercept them. In addition, the UGV's deep neural network technology is expected to continuously improve its decision-making abilities. The Marker robotic platform can acquire complete situational awareness of the surrounding area, up to more than 100 meters. This allows the operator to modify its movement in a timely manner without direct intervention. Marker is an advanced autonomous multifunctional ground-based robotic complex platform, which equipped with a unified payload module and a UAV cluster launch module. The tracked platform's payload module is equipped with optoelectronic instruments and 6 independent rotation axes. The module can support 2 types of payloads, which can each be used independently. Marker has a rotatable combat module that can turn 540 degrees in a second, improving its speed and accuracy. Marker has been developed in combat and reconnaissance variants. The combat variant can be equipped with anti-tank missile systems, coaxial heavy machine guns, grenade launchers, and other weapons. Its control system features an electronic catalog containing images of targets in both visible and infrared ranges, which helps the system automatically determine the equipment of adversarial forces. The reconnaissance variant connects to the robot through a cable, removing the need for a battery. Its control system can remain unaffected in electronic warfare. Reported, Russia's NPO Androidnaya Tekhnika has upgraded the Marker combat robot RIA Novosti revealed, citing company executive director Evgeny Dudorov. The months-long upgrade has resulted in the Marker's ability to autonomously communicate with a group of ground robots, Dudorov explained. The decision to upgrade the 3-ton ground vehicle was made in February 2021. In October, a report revealed that it would be equipped with anti-drone electronic jamming capability. Additional features include an audio system to alert a rapid response team of intrusion. In addition to acting as an unmanned security guard, the Marker also functions as a technology demonstrator to see which next-generation robotic technologies are viable. Russian Foundation for Advanced Research Projects CEO Andrei Grigoriev explained. The wheeled platform is equipped with a hybrid propulsion system that allows it to function autonomously for up to 3 days. It can navigate for several kilometers without human assistance and can fire bullets with discretion. We have already taught the Marker to fire not only from a sporting gun, but also to hit flying discs from a Kalashnikov machine gun, many times faster than people do, Foundation Center for Robotics head Oleg Martyanov revealed. Marker is also a concept developed specifically for testing of the 3rd, 4th, and 5th generation technologies. However, the specific machines will be eventually developed by the Ministry of Defense. Eventually, the developers will use the platform as a testbed for the interaction between ground robots, unmanned aerial vehicles, and special operations forces, as part of future warfare models.